Hi, I'm Becca from Assay Genie. Today I'm going to talk to you about therapeutic drug monitoring ELISA kits for therapeutic antibodies, biosimilars, and anti-drug antibodies. First, let's discuss what therapeutic antibodies, biosimilars, and anti-drug antibodies are. Therapeutic antibodies are antibodies that are designed to recognize specific proteins on certain cells to initiate an immune response. These antibodies are used to treat cancer, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and other diseases. Biosimilar antibodies are antibodies that are almost identical to their therapeutic antibody equivalents. These biosimilar antibodies are advantageous as they are not as expensive as their original therapeutic antibodies. Finally, anti-drug antibodies are antibodies generated by the immune system to clear therapeutic antibodies. These anti-drug antibodies can have a negative effect on treatment. Therefore, monitoring their levels is important to fully understand adverse drug reactions. So, what are the current problems faced by researchers looking to monitor therapeutic drugs? Well, the main challenge is cost, as the current methods of HPLC and LC-MS are expensive. Additionally, there is very little choice for researchers, with few ELISA options for therapeutic antibodies or anti-drug antibodies. In the face of these problems, at Assay Genie, we have developed a wide range of therapeutic drug monitoring ELISA kits for the best-selling drugs. ELISA is FDA approved and a fantastic alternative to HPLC and LC-MS. Our range of kits are lower cost, highly efficient, and offer a rapid method for monitoring drugs and anti-drug antibodies. Our therapeutic drug monitoring ELISA kits offer a range of unique advantages. These include the fact that our kits are manufactured in a European facility under ISO 13485 quality systems, ensuring a high-quality product. Our ELISA kits are quantitative, allowing researchers to measure the world's leading therapeutic antibodies and biosimilars. These kits are a convenient solution as they use less sample, with only 10 microliters of sample required per well, and have a fast procedure, with some kits providing results in as little as 55 minutes. Furthermore, the ELISA format means the kits are easily adaptable to automation. Our TDM ELISA kits are also highly validated, with validation, verification, and lot release performed according to best-in-class scientific guidelines. Our range of TDM ELISA kits cover some of the world's top therapeutic antibodies across a variety of research areas and diseases. Some of the most popular kits include nivolumab, ipilimumab, and infliximab ELISA. To view a full list of our therapeutic drug monitoring ELISA kits and a detailed protocol, you can visit assaygenie.com/therapeutic drug monitoring ELISA kits. To find out more and learn about our other key technologies, you can find us online at assaygenie.com or any other social platform, including LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.